I'm Jessica Rhymes. This is Rhymes Reimagined, where I will teach you all the possibilities of thrifting and DIYing. And in today's video, we're doing something fun. We're going to the thrift store. I'm excited. It's Monday, if you can't tell. I'm excited. It is Monday, and if you watch my channel regularly, you know that that is my favorite day to thrift because everything is 50% off at my favorite thrift store, which is great because I need a few things. I'm specifically looking for clothing today, some summer pieces especially. I'm actually about to go on a trip, and I just want to get a few like summery pieces to take with me on my trip. And I have a list. I'm going to tell you what I'm looking for specifically, and I'm going to try my best to get some decent coverage actually in the thrift store because it's a 50% off sale day. It's crowded, so everybody loves Monday, so it's harder to film on those days, but I'm going to try my best to try and get a little bit of coverage so you can kind of see some of the things that I'm looking for. So the first and most important thing that I need is shorts, especially like denim shorts or biker shorts, both preferably, or jeans that I can cut into shorts. And then I'm also looking for like two-piece sets, like straight up like grandma grade comfy two-piece sets. Ideally like a button down top and maybe some pants, ideally like a short sleeve button down top, but we'll see. Or something that I can make into two-piece sets, like a matching something that has a similar print that's sort of matching or a similar color. I'm also looking for bralettes and crop tops, which I know that's probably going to be hard, but same thing. If I can get a crop top that, or a t-shirt or a tank top that I can cut into a crop top, not discounting that. And then I'm also looking for, I'm looking at my list, sorry. Oversized like Hawaiian or like summer print shirts. I'll probably find that like button downs. I'll probably find that in like the men's section. And then one thing that is literally always on my thrift list, no matter what time of year, no matter what, every time I go to the thrift store, I am trying to find this item, and I have yet to find one that I really, really like. I barely find them in general, but I am desperate for a fanny pack. Oh my gosh. I don't know why they're so hard to find. I think because like these Gen Zers have like taken over all the trends of like the millennials' childhood, and they like snatch them up when they see them because they're like trendy again, but they're so practical. I don't know why fanny packs stopped being cool for a minute, but they're just super practical, and I just need one. I need it. Like, help me find this fanny pack so that I can keep all my things safe and secure, and it's like a perfect like vacation bag. So I'm gonna try, as always, to find the fanny pack, but wish me luck on that one. So let's go head to the thrift store. I'm reporting from the parking lot. I've had to wait 5 minutes for a spot. I was stalking the door, and then I drove around and followed someone to their car. It's serious on Mondays around here. I started with the shorts, which is one of the main reasons why I needed to go to the thrift store. I don't currently have any like shorts that I actually really like how they fit, so I needed to grab some. So I just grabbed whichever ones I could find in my size, stuck them in my cart, and checked them out to see if I was gonna get any. And I did find quite a few, which you will see later on in the haul. Then I moved on to the suit section, where I try to find the two-piece sets, and I found this two-piece set of my dreams. It was no sleeveless, and shorts, and it just looked so comfy cozy. It was super soft. I just couldn't believe that I found it. I really liked the print, and I could dress it up with like some gold jewelry. Like it was just of my dreams. But then I was heartbroken because it was a size 7'8", which is way too small for me. But this is exactly what I'm looking for when I say two-piece sets. So I kept right along perusing the rest of like the suit section, and there were quite a few like suits that I liked and considered getting. This one I loved. It gives me like some serious like Cher 90s suit vibes, but it was too wintry and I didn't want to get it. But it was cute. There was a couple other ones that I was looking at. This just reminded me of Silk Sonic. I don't know why. I think 'cause it's purple and silky for whatever reason. It just reminded me of Bruno Mars. And then I absolutely loved this one. This again was a really nice print that I would like to wear. It was pants, but it was like a size 22, which was way too big. So no luck in the suit section for me, which is kind of to be expected because those are really kind of hard to thrift. Next, I moved on to the like men's button down, short sleeve button down section where I was hoping to find like those oversized like Hawaiian print shirts. And I'll clue you in, I did get this one. I absolutely loved it. So, hint, hint, I did find a couple of shirts in the men's section that I really liked that you will be able to see later on in the haul. And then in the men's shirt section, obviously like most of those shirts are like dated. So I typically will just kind of eyeball for like textures, prints, and colors that I like because most of the shirts in that section I'm just not going to get. So I will just like kind of flip through and scan until I find some that like really catch my eye because most of this is just too dated and not really what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to move on to the women's sleeveless and short sleeve shirt section in hopes of finding some like cute crop tops. I did find a few like tank tops, crop top type things that I really did like. So I lucked out in that department. And sorry y'all about these camera angles and the shakiness of the camera. I'm learning and growing, y'all. Work with me on this one. And then I did find this Banana Republic like peplum sheer top that I'm going to regret not getting. I'm so mad. I'm still thinking about it. This one was really cute too, but it was cinched at the bottom, which I didn't really like, so I also didn't get it, but I kind of like the print. Loved this bodysuit. It was new with tags, so I definitely picked this one up. And my final stop is always to the bags in hopes of finding the fanny pack of my dreams, and I will clue you in. I did not find it. I need to send out more positivity about this because maybe one day I will find it. I've seen them before, but now that I need them, I can never find them. But y'all keep praying for me on that one. I really got to get this fanny pack. The final thing that I do is like a second set of quality checks on each item, making sure there's no stains or rips, and then I will purge some of the maybe pieces because I just don't need everything in this full cart. So I just kind of go through and check to make sure everything's in good enough condition and then remove all the pieces that I just know that I probably won't wear. Here's this blue top again that I just wish I would have gotten, but I just know that I probably wouldn't have worn it because it was so sheer. It was really cute, but for $4.50, it just didn't seem worth it, knowing I may not wear it. Yeah, I am home. I did so good. I'm so excited to show you all the amazing stuff that I got. I got 23 items. I did spend a little more than I originally planned. I was hoping to stay more around the $50 range so that I could go again in the summer, but I ended up spending $80. But my total summer thrift budget was $100. So all in all, I saved I saved $20, which actually was a good thing because I was able to get Portillo's, which is right down the street from the thrift store. So I'm sure Eric will be happy about that. My $20 savings gets us a $20 lunch, so that worked out. But I got these 2 huge bags back there. They are stuffed with stuff. And I'm just really excited to show you what I got, but I think this video will get a little long because your girl talks too much. I know I have a serious problem, but it is what it is. I just love to talk about all the amazing thrift pieces that I found, and this is a great way for me to do it. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned for next week's video. So you can see all the pieces the summer pieces that I got. I did get a couple home decor items. I might throw those in there too. One of them is super off season because it's Christmas, but I couldn't resist it. And then let's see, I'm just gonna log off here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you for tuning in. If this video was interesting to you, consider hitting the subscribe button below. A subscribe costs you nothing, but it absolutely means the world to me. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.